Welcome to How to Master it, the place where we turn tech troubles into simple solutions. If you're not part of our community yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you'll always be up to speed with our new tutorials. Today, we'll be tackling an essential skill in Excel, creating a chart. Charts are a fantastic way to visualize data and make it more understandable. So let's jump into it. Step 1. First things first, open up your Excel spreadsheet and select the data you want to include in your chart. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the cells. Step 2. Next, go to the Insert tab in the top menu. Step 3. In the Insert tab, you'll see a Charts group with a variety of chart types to choose from. This includes column, line, pie, bar, area, and more. Step 4. Click on the type of chart you want to create, then select the specific chart style from the drop-down menu. For example, if you want a 3D pie chart, click on Pie and then select 3D Pie. Step 5. Excel will automatically create the chart for you and place it somewhere on your spreadsheet. You can click and drag the chart to move it, or click on the corners to resize it. And voila! You've created your first chart in Excel. Experiment with different chart types and styles to see which one best represents your data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe to How to Master it for more clear, concise, and easy to follow tech tutorials. Catch you in the next video.